Okay, so I mentioned in an earlier part of the lecture that we can not only build up 3D geometry from lower order topology or sketches, but we can also build it directly. So it's like a top-down creation because we're building the 3D body or the volumes directly, and they're appearing in that form from the beginning. So here we can see that option under the create options. If we look at the create tree and then we go down to primitives, we have all these types of entities that we can generate. So if we select one of these particular entities, we'll then see all of these different options in order to create that particular entity. So the example here is given for a sphere, where we need to specify a base plane, the origin definition. Here we can see all of the origin positions and a radius for the sphere, and then we can generate that sphere once we hit apply and generate. And we can create all of these other different types of geometries as well. So this might be useful to extend an existing geometry or indeed to create a geometry from scratch.